In this video, we will see how to use Android Auto in Maruti Suzuki vehicles. As soon as you switch on the vehicle, this is the home screen that you will see. As a first step, download the Android Auto application from the Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, from the App Store. Just for your awareness, some of the Android phones come with Android Auto pre-installed. Using a USB cable, just connect your mobile to the car, and as soon as you plug in, you can see a new icon pop up, Android Auto. Just click on this Android Auto icon. A message will now pop up requiring permission to access your microphone, your location, your contacts. Just click on OK. Another message will pop up with respect to turning on the Bluetooth and pairing your phone, syncing your contacts. Just click on Continue. Now this is the home screen of the Android Auto application. You can now access Google Maps, your music playlist, and all your contacts directly on the screen now. You can say, "Hi Suzuki," and give voice commands to operate the system. Hi Suzuki.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Call Meera.
Which contact would you like to call?
If there are multiple contacts with the same name or have the same phonetic sound, you can just mention the number on the left to call. 2. You can play songs from your mobile or also use the Amazon Music or Spotify apps. In this demo, I have Amazon Music and Google Maps running at the same time. I can minimize Google Maps and have music as the main screen, or vice versa, and this is how I can swap. So when I am using Google Maps, music will still be running in the background. We will now see how to send text messages. Click on New and give your voice command.
Who do you want to text?
Meera 2.
Mira 2. Sure. What's the message?
Testing features of Android Auto.
I got. Testing features of Android Auto. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Sending your message.
The text message is now sent. When we are driving, we will not be able to access the infotainment screen as it will be a huge distraction. We can give voice commands by clicking on the button at the steering wheel as shown here. Just click on the button and you can give your voice commands.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Tune to 93.5 FM.
Tuning to 93.5 FM.
நான் இன்னொரு லைஃப் பார்ட்னர் பத்தி திங்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். யார் எல்லா லோடும் தாங்கிட்டு எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இல்லாம இருக்காங்களோ அவங்களுக்காக எது
Instead of pressing the button for voice commands, we can also say, "Hi Suzuki," and then give the command. The screen will change as shown here and it will await for further instructions. You can now give your voice command to call a contact, play your music, or tune into your favorite FM station. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.